It's no secret that the Slingshot comes straight out of the box with some sinister looks, but there's always room for improvement. Today, we're excited to introduce the GT3-C style rear wing by Tricline for the Polaris Slingshot. This aluminum wing is inspired by GT3 racing and makes a bold visual statement that perfectly follows the unique body lines of the Slingshot. The stealthy look really transforms the rear end and adds that extra touch of motorsport aggression that the Slingshot has been begging for. It features a pitch adjustment that allows you to fine-tune both the look and the airflow once installed. It's compatible with all model years and works seamlessly with all rooftop systems currently on the market. And just like our GT3R wing, you can kick things up a notch by adding our optional plug-and-play LED lighting kit for the backside that really adds to that sinister look, while also increasing visibility for motorists behind you. If you opt for the lighting upgrade, you'll get a Y harness that connects to the stock license plate light plug and supplies power to the LEDs. Just peel and stick the light strips, then connect to power for a killer visual upgrade. The entire kit is 100% bolt-on, is proudly made right here in the USA, and is designed to be installed without any permanent modifications. The kit includes all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. Now follow our team as we walk you through the installation process.
Before you begin, ensure that your bike is parked on level ground, your ignition is off, and that your parking brake is engaged. Start by unplugging your factory license plate light, and then remove these 3 screws with a T40 Torx to remove the factory license plate bracket. Then remove the 2 screws located here with a T40 Torx and set them aside as you will not be reusing them. Please note that due to the design of the mounting bracket for the wing, your factory license plate mount can no longer be used. You will need to relocate your plate using our Tricline license plate relocator kit. If you'd like to purchase the plate relocator kit or watch how to install that product, I've gone ahead and put a link to that product in the description below. Next, add a dab of removable thread lock to the 2 75mm bolts and the 55mm bolt. Now, grab the 55mm bolt and add one of the 3 large washers. Grab the stabilizer bracket and center it under the wing mounting bracket, with the tabs facing down and towards the rear of the vehicle. Then insert the 55mm bolt with washer up through both the stabilizer bracket and the wing mounting bracket. Add the short silver spacer and carefully thread it through the center hole from your factory license plate holder, leaving it finger tight for now. Now add a longer spacer to the left and right-hand side holes. Add washers to each of the 75mm bolts and slide them through the mounting bracket and spacer, threading them into the Slingshot. Finger tight for now. Then snug them down the rest of the way with a 10mm socket with ratchet. Let's assemble the wing by taking the top connecting plate and place it on top of the right wing half, aligning the 3 holes so you can add 3 of the 20mm screws down through the top. Then repeat for the left wing half. Slide the 6 bolts you just inserted through the 6 holes in the included brace mount. Ensure that the mounting tabs located here are facing down, towards the ground and towards the front of the wing, like so. Then flip over the wing. Add a washer to each bolt. Followed by a lock nut. Finger tight for now, leaving room for adjustment. Next, you can attach one of the mounting tabs to the underside of the wing. making sure the slotted hole is facing the rear of the wing. Add two 16mm bolts from underneath, and add a washer and lock nut to each. Then repeat for the mounting tab on the other side. Now you can bring the wing over and gently place it on top of the wing mounting bracket. The wing mounting tabs go on the outside of the mounting bracket on both sides. Grab one 16mm bolt and add a washer. Then insert it through the hole on the mounting tab and the wing mounting bracket located here. Then add a lock nut to the backside, finger tight for now. Grab a 20mm bolt and add a washer. Then insert it through the slotted hole on the mounting tab and mounting bracket located here. Add a washer, then lock nut to the backside, finger tight. Repeat these steps to attach the right side mounting tab to the mounting bracket. Now locate the left-hand side support strut. It's labeled with an L at the top. Insert a 16mm bolt through the wing support bracket and into the slotted hole on the support strut. Add a washer and lock nut finger tight. Align the holes on the support strut, the wing, and one of the wing end plates, and insert a 16mm bolt. Add a washer on the backside, followed by a lock nut. Then add the other 16mm bolt, with washer and nut on the backside, leaving these finger tight. Then repeat for the right-hand support strut and wing end plate. Next, add a washer to a 25mm bolt and slide it through the slotted hole on one of the braces and into the brace mount. Add a washer and lock nut to the backside, finger tight. Then do the same for the bottom of the brace and lower brace mount. Repeat these steps to install the brace on the other side. You'll notice with all hardware loose, the wing has a pitch adjustment, utilizing all the slotted holes. Before we tighten everything down, decide your preferred angle. Once your angle is set, go back through and tighten down all hardware with a 4mm Allen wrench and 10mm socket with ratchet.
Once the install is complete, you'll see just how much this wing changes the attitude of the Slingshot's rear profile, giving it that track-inspired finish. If you'd like to pick one up for your ride, head over to SlingMods.com today or click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on three wheels. Thanks for watching.